In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 12 best business ideas that you can actually start with little or no money. Why nothing is entirely free in today's world, but there are businesses that you can actually start with little or no money if you have less capital. You only need to invest the little one that you have. Even if you are doing your 9 to 5 daily jobs or you want to start as a side hustle, there are businesses that you can actually start with no money at all, but you need little investment. And when you don't have capital or when you're not using any money to start any business, the growth sometimes is actually slow. You actually need some capital to accelerate the growth of your business. You understand, to kickstart your business. Right now, guys, let's dive into this video. A lot of people don't actually know that there are businesses that you can actually start with less or no money, little or no money. And we've been looking for where to borrow money. Right now, let's dive into this video. I started my business last year and I have limited money, which leads me to tell you that you can actually start your online store without money. An online store is one of the businesses that you can actually start with little or no money, and you don't need to have all the products. You can actually pick one or two products and promote it. That's just the truth. Get your website running. Even if you don't want to have a website, you can actually start posting on different kinds of websites, platforms, marketplaces that actually allow people. Like we have Facebook Marketplace and other like a Bonanza or Poshmark. They might not need much money for you to start up your online store. And before you know it, you can start making money. Just give it like 6 months. Honestly, 6 months is a very good guarantee for me to tell you to start your online store and start making money with it. And number two business that you can actually start without money is what? Event planning. Event planning today is one of the business that you can actually start today without money, honestly, because all you need to do is to promote yourself and let people know. You can actually use or just your phone, internet connection, so that you can be able to coordinate, organize, and do some logistics on planning events. You plan events for parties, you plan for conference, you plan for webinars, and you plan for pop-ups, depending on the kind of niche that you actually want to follow in planning that kind of business. And with time, let people know, even if it's word of mouth, let people know you don't need money. All you need is organization to organize yourself and put yourself out there as a professional. Let people know that you can actually handle, events for them, and let that event become, solid and successful. Once people know that you can actually, handle businesses, handle events, from there on you start getting other clients. That's just the truth. Another business that you can actually start with or without money is content creation. Building an audience is one of the businesses, building an audience, monetizing your audience is one of the businesses that you can actually start today with little, less or no money. All you need is your phone, internet connection, your time, and your creativity. Build your audience, and before you know it, monetize it. You can decide to choose any of the niche that you know that you can actually do very very well. Any niche that you know that, yes, I can be solid on this particular niche for years. That niche definitely will be able to help you to monetize and start making money. People that are into content creation, some of them make up to $80,000 yearly, 10,000, $100,000 yearly, depending on the capacity of your building. And before you know it, you'll be smiling. And you now once you start earning money, you now start reinvesting that particular money that you have actually earned in that particular business. Another business that can actually help you to earn money today is what? Is to start a cleaning business. Cleaning business is one of the businesses that you can actually start with or without money, guys. What are we talking about? All you need is to get your chemicals. I'm not saying that you not spend, you spend at least little money for you to kickstart your business. Get your chemicals, get the necessary equipment that you actually need, and start promoting yourself and let people know that you can actually do this. Once you have one client and you do and deliver your job very very well, definitely you might start having referrals on that particular job. If you want to employ people, that means you will need to go and register your business. But for a start, you can just start on your own without even registering that particular business. Then as time goes on, once you start having cash, you start reinvesting in that particular business. And the next business that you can actually start with or without money is what? Is blogging. Blogging is one of the businesses that you can actually start with lesser money. You just need a website. And if you know that you can actually write very, very well, even if you don't need to be a great writer, but as long as you have a plan, you need to be focused and know the kind of niche that you actually want to follow. Blogging takes time, maybe to start making money, because once you are monetized, you might start you just be making small, small money. So the main thing that you should focus on blogging is to build a traffic, build your audience, let people, make people to be able to, visit your site. Once people are ready to visit that site, lots of traffic, guys, you are going to be making money. And then you're making money through Google AdSense, you make money through your impressions, you can even make money through sponsored ads, you can also make money through, memberships and all of that. These are ways that people are making money right now. And the next business that can actually help you to make money, start with less or little money, is property management. Property management today is one of the businesses that you can actually start today, with little or no money. This one, you are managing properties. Even if you don't have your own to manage, you can liaise with other people that have properties, so that you can, manage their properties for them. At the same time, you can even decide to go into real estate business and be selling properties, understand, and be getting your commission. You don't actually need to buy your own property and start renting them out. You can start selling properties, find those companies that are into real estate, and start promoting and marketing their products for them, marketing their, properties for them. Before you know, you start earning commission in that particular, project. The next business that you can actually start with little or less money is what? Be a personal trainer. Being a personal trainer, a lot of people don't know that all you need is energy, your phone, your creativity. People want to be in shape, and there are people that need personal trainer that can actually help them to be in shape. If you know that you're interested in helping people to lose weight, manage their diet, you don't actually need a certificate. As time goes on, you can now get a certificate on this particular, niche that you want to go into. And the next business that you can actually start with little or no money is freelancing jobs. Freelancing jobs today, if you know that you have digital skills in graphic design, copywriting, translating, designer, website designer, different kinds of digital, skills that you can actually use. You can register yourself, build up your profile in Fiverr or Upwork or even Google Jobs. They are there, promoting themselves, and you'll be getting clients. Before you know, you start getting gigs. These are also making money for people. Build up your profile. If you know you have all these digital skills, they can actually help you to make money. Another business that you can actually start with little or less money is what? Tutoring and teaching, instructing. If you know that you're an expert in a particular subject, people teach how some languages, people teach some courses, people teach some subjects. You can even start with students that are trying to write exams. I'm telling you the truth. And you now promote your work, teach them, and immediately they start passing their exams, people will now recommend you. You have referrals. You can also teach people that ain't even graduates, they still want to move on to another step of their life. So if you know you're an expert in any of these particular subjects, language that you can actually teach, teaching can actually help you to make money, and you are not going to use anything money, much money to start it. You just need your phone or your laptop or your computer to be able to kick off and start this particular business. And the next business that you can actually start is consulting and coaching. Consulting and coaching is one of the businesses that you can actually start today with little or no money. People pay for per sections at that particular time. At the same time, you can also let people register for your workshop. You can be doing workshop. You can also be creating content and sell digital products at the same time while you are coaching people. People, if you know that you can actually help people to achieve their goals. A lot of people are looking for direction, and they need people that can actually help them understand to reach their goal. If you know that you are good in coaching, consulting, this job is actually free. That this job is actually good for you to start it with little or less money. And then the next business that you can actually start with little or less money is dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of my favorites. You don't have the inventory. All you need to do is to get your website. Even if you don't have a website, you can decide to use your, social media and promote items. Once somebody needs it, you get the money, you understand. Hit up the manufacturer or the agent or the supplier, and they now send you the product, you get your commission, and that is just it. There are quite lots of businesses that you can actually start with little or less money, but you're not going to get rich quick. Then as time goes on, you will be able to, make money from that. If you enjoy watching my video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.